So everybody, I came to pick up some Corvette wheels for the E36 build. Well, I have two builds, but let's call it black. The black one I have. My 328. The other one's at 325. So for the 328, these are the wheels we're gonna put on it. And they have all the center caps, which is good. Now, some thinner tires, and we'll be good. I was gonna throw in the rotiforms on it, but I really don't want to buy no spacer conversions for it since we're gonna drift with it. But I want to stay with what I have right now, which are factories, and I know I could fall in holes and do whatever I want with them. So the rotiforms, if I don't give them to my little brother, I might just sell them. So stay tuned for those. They might be posted on my YouTube page. So all right then, let's put them away in this little two-door. Oh, and that's for those that don't see, did get the steering wheel in there. Looks real good. So